Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a firmware update on your XIAOMI robot vacuum X20 Max. As you can see right here, I have the app open, and when I click on three dots in top right corner, I can scroll down to find firmware update. Now tap on update and it'll begin updating. There is a chance that once you install the update, it will still prompt you to update again, and you just need to do that until the newest version is installed, because sometimes things like this happen when it cannot go many versions up. As you can see, during the process, the lights are blinking. There also was a voice prompt, but my voice prompt volume is set pretty low, so you probably couldn't hear it. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it's done, and we'll see if there's any more updates to install or if it's all done already. Okay, the update is done. Now it says it still didn't change the version in the app. It doesn't display the current version because the current version is, as you can see, 4.3.9, which was there before. So I may need to just go back into the firmware update and see if it checks for any updates. But I think the robot is still not connected because the lights here are blinking. So I may need to still wait a little moment. I'll try seeing here in the app again whether the robot connects, and yeah, that is basically it. As I said, it's worth checking if there is still an update available after installing it, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.